Hi, I'm Martin Hinsley from SLS Select Education.
And I'm Anne-Marie from Ohaus. So we're going to have a look at the pH of some various different household liquids today. It's a little experiment that you can do with your class. So the first thing we're going to do with our pH stick is calibrate the unit. So we press the calibrate button. We then immerse it in pH 7 to start with. And then we just wait until it's finished. So it just takes a few seconds for it to stabilize. I just need to turn it towards myself to see that it's stabilized. So this unit also measures the temperature of the sample while it's measuring it. So when it's finished in pH 7, the reading will stabilize. So we need to remove it from the pH solution. Then we just give it a little rinse, and then we can move and dry. And then we move on into the next one. So make sure we get in there fully. And then immerse in the next one, which is pH 4.01.
I do like the way it can actually stand up as well, whereas most pH probes will actually tip over or you'll need a stand. Whereas that one is actually really useful because it's got the crown so it can stand up in the solution.
Yeah. Okay, that's now finished in pH 4. So once again, we will remove that from there and then we measure into pH 10. So now we're finished with the calibration. We will remove this from the pH 10 buffer and give it a rinse. Martin, would you like to do these pH measurements?
Yeah, absolutely. Can't wait.
Perfect.
Really excited about this.
I'll just move these buffers out of the way for you so that you can see what's happening.
So first off, I'm going to test out the Ribena. Let's see what we can get. I'm going to guess acidic, slightly. So pH 6.
I think slightly acidic, yeah.
6, I'm going to guess. Oh wow, it's a lot lower than I expected.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's 3.6.
Oh. And this is sugar-free Ribena, so still not great for the teeth.
Yeah, that's right. It makes you think next time I pour a glass.
Cool, and then the tissue. I'll move this one out of the way as well for you.
Next up, we've got tea, which again I'm going to go slightly acidic.
Hopefully not as acidic as Ribena.
No, that'll strip your teeth.
Yeah.
So what we got on there? 6, I'm going to guess. Oh, 5.3.
Not quite as acidic as Ribena, but still, yeah.
And then always rinse off, so you get ensure there's no cross-contamination.
I think coffee is about 4.5. I think coffee is more acidic than tea.
Oh, it's more acidic than tea.
And I think different types of coffee are slightly different levels of acidity. And I think that affects the flavour of coffee, just like acidity affects the flavour of lots and lots of different things. Mm-hmm. Like citric acid is quite acidic, and that can affect the flavour of how sour things are, and it's what's added to sour sweets to make them sour.
Oh wow, that one we're reading at 5.2, so that's slightly less. So we hopefully should be around about 7.
I hope so.
Ooh, it's slightly acidic, very, very slightly. 6.8. It's actually just ticked over to 6.9.
So yeah, very usual, which is good. And then as we venture further south towards London, that pH will actually increase because of the calcium carbonate levels.
Oh, that's the difference in soft and hard water.
Soft and hard water, yeah.
And our final one is acetic acid.
Yes, which hopefully is quite acidic.
Yes, or formerly called formic acid.
Yes.
Oh, and it's turned off. So that one is 2.4. So yeah, that's a lot more acidic than the rest of them. And finally, we've got to just rinse it again.
Yep, and then pop the cap on the end for storage.
Well, thanks everyone for watching, and if you've got any questions, leave them on the comments below.